Welcome to Elephant Hunters, where we don't chase noise, we hunt momentum. If you've ever felt like the market was moving just a little faster than you could process it, relax. The Elephant Hunter system was built to slow everything down and give you total clarity on when the market is shifting, long before most traders even catch it. And the best part, we do all of this with 2 charts, only 2. No clutter, no chaos, no cognitive overload. The 1-minute chart gives you the early onset of a trend. That's where you watch SIMO Pro, and specifically the momentum line. Above 0.90, early onset to the upside. Below negative 0.80, early onset to the downside. That's your radar. Then we move to the 2-minute chart for confirmation, the part that turns a simple signal into a high-quality opportunity. On the 2-minute, we use our ABC confirmation process. A, SIMO structure. Is the waveform aligned with direction? B, pure mo. Is momentum expanding in that direction? C, wave indicator. Is structure breaking the same way? When all 3 line up, that's an elephant. Once you're in the trade, your exit is simple. Pure mo controls everything. You follow the magenta line, you exit when it crosses its threshold, and that's it. No stress, no guesswork, no overthinking. Now let's walk through a few real examples so you can see exactly how this works, step by step. Let's start with the first example from November 13th. On the 1-minute chart, right at 9:34 a.m., SIMO's momentum drops below negative 80. That's our early alert. We immediately flip to the 2-minute chart, and at that same time, SIMO's cycle wave is already below 0. Momentum inside SIMO is falling, pure mo is below its threshold and had dipped under its own negative 90 threshold. And the wave indicator is confirming the downward pressure. That's a clean 3 yes alignment. We take the short. We write it down until the magenta line in pure mo curls up and crosses above the negative 90 threshold. That's the exit. Simple, mechanical, beautiful. That's exactly how we handle the early onset and confirmation. Now let's look at the second opportunity from the same morning. At 10:31 a.m. on the 1-minute chart, SIMO's momentum sinks below negative 80, again, early alert. On the 2-minute, around 10:30, SIMO's momentum is about to cross below 0. The cycle wave is already below the 0 line. Pure mo shifts downward. Wave indicator drops below its threshold. That's another textbook Elephant Hunter short. We take it, and we ride the trade until pure mo touches its negative 20 threshold, signaling the move is complete. Another clean execution. Now let's move ahead to November 17th, where we had several clean opportunities back-to-back. At 9:37 a.m., SIMO momentum on the 1-minute bursts above positive 90. Early onset to the upside. We jump to the 2-minute, and on the 9:38 bar, SIMO momentum is rising. The cycle component is about to cross above 0. Pure mo shifts upward. Wave indicator breaks above its threshold. That's a full bullish alignment. We take the long. We hold it until the magenta pure mo line tilts down and crosses below 90. That marks the end of the move. And just a few minutes later, we had another clean setup, this time to the downside. At 10:01 a.m., SIMO momentum dips below negative 80 on the 1-minute. We check the 2-minute, and at 10:02, SIMO momentum is rolling off the highs and pushing downward. Cycle is below 0. Pure mo shifts sharply down. The wave indicator is on the cusp of a downward break. That's a valid short setup. We take it, and again we hold the trade until pure mo's magenta line tilts back up and crosses above negative 90. Exit locked in. And finally, let's look at the last trade of the session, a beautiful long setup also on November 17th. At 11:26 a.m., SIMO momentum on the 1-minute shoots above positive 90. Early alert. We shift to the 2-minute, and although the 11:26 bar is close, the 11:28 bar gives us the perfect confirmation. Momentum is rising from the negative 80 threshold. The cycle wave is above 0. Pure mo shows a clean upward shift. Wave indicator is about to break upward. That's a textbook long. We take it and stay in the trade until pure mo's magenta line tilts down, signaling the end of the move. And that's the Elephant Hunter system. 2 charts, 1 early onset signal, 1 confirmation process, 1 mechanical exit rule, no clutter, no confusion, no hesitation, just clean engineered momentum trading. If what you just saw makes sense, if you want to trade with clarity instead of chaos, if you want a process that removes the guesswork and puts structure behind every decision, then your next step is simple. Tap the button below, grab the free trial, get the tools, get the training, and start hunting elephants with us.